Hey guys, so today it's gonna be kind of crazy because today I'm gonna show you what fidgets are actually worth buying. Marble mesh. If they're like £1 for like, I don't know, like 10 marble meshes or like 20, that's worth it. These are definitely worth it, even if it's just one. These are worth it. Massive Orbeez stress balls, they are worth it because like if you're paying like £2, I'd say yeah, that's worth it. These are really good. Poppets, they're definitely worth it. Even if you just get one of them, they are worth it because look now. See? So anyway, yeah, this is amazing and they're worth it. Next up, we got a dimple. These are worth it, even if like, yeah, this is just worth it. Tangles, I'd say, in my opinion, that they're not worth it because this is what you get. That's all you get. So I'm saying, in my opinion, that these aren't worth it. Next up, Dimple Digit. These guys are worth it because you get like this. You get this, and basically, you just go, And also you can play like marble games with it. That's also another thing. So yeah, next fidget, fidget pad. Fidget pads, in my opinion, they're worth it. Because this is what you get. And then there was a spinny thing here. But yeah, these are worth it. So next fidget, puzzle balls. These puzzle balls, they're worth it. Like puzzle balls are actually worth it. Because like they are really good for education and all, but also they help massage like your fingers and like all that. And also they're really cool to solve. So next fidget, Orbeez pads. Orbeez pads are worth it because you can like basically just like squish the Orbeez, I guess. And also like they're super fun. But anyway, next fidget, these are worth it by the way. Pea in the pods. Pea poppers, basically. But in my opinion, these are not worth it in my opinion. Because they are really small, and if you're paying like £5 for just like one little pea pod, you're getting ripped off. So in my opinion, I do not think that this is worth it. So next fidget. Okay, so the next fidget is Wacky Sharks, and these guys are worth it. Because, like, yeah, these are just like worth it. These are worth it because like they make this really cool noise. But anyways, guys, let's go on to the next fidget now. Snakes. These are... they're worth it, snakes. Oh my god. But anyway, yeah, snakes are worth it because you can like mold it into so many things. yeah, these guys are worth it. So anyway, next fidget. Snappers. These guys are worth it. Because, like, you just gotta go. I really like snappers. They're really cool. So yeah, these are worth it. So next fidget. Next fidget are monkey noodles. These are not worth it, because this is all you get. But anyway, guys, the next fidget what we're going to do now is the last fidget I'm going to do in this episode. So, yeah, this is worth it, this fidget, by the way. The monkey noodles aren't, but the next fidget what I'm going to do is worth it. But these aren't. Remember, the monkey noodles are not. Of course, guys, how could I not forget these? Simple Dimples. These are worth it. Because look at these now. These are just super good. But anyway, yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. So I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps me out really so much. So yeah, see you guys at the next video. Bye!